Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and here is the privacy settings for Windows 11, the general privacy settings that we're going to look at. So we are looking at both Windows 10 and Windows 11 in separate videos so that people find the one they want on their Windows, but also because sometimes there are a few changes or differences that can happen. The general privacy settings in Windows 11 is in the Start menu. Go to the Settings. Into the settings, you will have privacy and security on the left side. And if you go down into Windows permissions, you'll see General. General will give you, of course, the same 4 options that you have in Windows 10. Once again, let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. Once again, this has to do with ads that show up in the different apps that you can install from Microsoft Store or the Microsoft Store itself, and in some cases maybe suggestions if you have some of the settings turned on for suggested content within Windows. This has to do with it doesn't turn off the ads, it just changes the ads from being personalized because it tracks you into what you're doing and what you like to being random if you turn it off. So technically less tracking of what you do, but the ads are still going to be there. They're just going to be more random. Let websites show me locally relevant content by accessing my language list. Of course, depending on the language you speak and the language list that you have, it will decide what type of content, and based on that, a little bit more, what's probably going to interest you in where you live. So depending on the language you use, that's why you have different types of languages like English Canada, English USA, English UK. They'll they differ, of course, and they differ in a way that also the computer can use that to kind of give you the content relevant to you. Once again, this could be turned off, less tracking technically. Let Windows improve start and search results by tracking app launches. Has to do with a little bit with telemetry of seeing what apps are you using, how they perform, and what apps you're using together, and kind of helps them, improve the speed at which, for example, the search can happen, things like that. It's kind of an optimization if you want. Once again, it's kind of a tracking, so you can turn that off and say, no, I don't want to have that on my PC. And finally, show me suggested content in the settings app. This one you definitely want to have off. Because what it happens is that it's going to annoy you with suggestions when you're going into the settings of different things that you might want to do or might want to check or might want to open, or that I always leave off because I don't want to have suggestions, that's for sure. So the same type of privacy settings you have in Windows 10, of course, turning all the sliders off does mean technically that you should have less tracking going on within Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.